In this video, I'll show you how to easily create a Power BI background using AI. I'll show you 5 easy steps to make a really great Power BI dashboard. Step 1. Pick an example dashboard. Step 2. Write a prompt with ChatGPT. Step 3. Run the prompt in UX Pilot. Step 4. Adjust the dashboard in Figma. Step 5. Build the Power BI dashboard. Watch the full video from start to finish so you don't miss any steps. First, go to dribbble.com to find dashboard inspiration. Type dashboard into the search bar. You'll now see a page with lots of example dashboards. Scroll through the page to see all the different dashboard styles. For this video, we'll use the first dashboard as our example. I open the snipping tool and take a screenshot of the dashboard. We'll use this screenshot as a reference to create the layout for the Power BI dashboard. I now open ChatGPT to analyze the image and generate a prompt. I type, "Analyze this dashboard in details for a future UX Pilot prompt," and I hit enter. ChatGPT now analyzes the dashboard. It breaks it into parts. First the visual structure, then the layout. After that, the content areas, the color system, the typography, and the metrics used in the cards. All this information is then used to create a prompt for the design in UX Pilot. This way, you make sure ChatGPT looks at every element instead of creating a quick, shallow prompt for a dashboard layout. Then, in a new prompt, I tell ChatGPT to act as a UX Pilot expert and ask it to create a UX Pilot prompt that matches the reference dashboard 1-to-1. Let's see what output ChatGPT generates. You can pause the video at the end of the prompt to see exactly what I send to ChatGPT. I also add the dashboard image to the prompt again. ChatGPT now generates the layout code for the dashboard, which we can then use to generate a design in UX Pilot. If you scroll down, you'll already see how detailed ChatGPT is when generating the prompt. Next, we open UX Pilot. We copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into UX Pilot. Within a few minutes, UX Pilot generates a dashboard design that looks like the reference dashboard we provided. In this video, the focus is on the concept and the workflow of generating the design, not on whether it's a perfect one-to-one match. We saved the dashboard for Figma. We now open Figma to show the dashboard we saved. With the UX Pilot plugin in Figma, you first see all your saved dashboards. From there, you can import the dashboard into Figma. I'll now show you the inspiration dashboard we used as an example and the dashboard we created using ChatGPT. In another video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard prompt yourself. What do you think of the result? Let me know in the comments. We copy the dashboard so we can further edit it in Figma. You can now easily edit the design in Figma. It's made up of separate elements, so you can edit each one individually. I remove all the numbers and other details so I can use this layout as the background for the Power BI dashboard. Using the export feature in Figma, you can export the frame as an SVG, so you can upload it as a background in Power BI. We now go to Power BI and open Power BI Desktop. We go to the canvas background and load the dashboard image. Then set the transparency to 0% and you'll see the dashboard appear. I now fill the entire dashboard with cards and visuals. I also apply the dashboard colors to the visuals, so the design uses only a small, consistent set of colors. Do you already use this approach when designing dashboards, or do you have a completely different method? Let me know in the comments and tell me what you think of this way of designing dashboards. This is the final result of the Power BI dashboard. You can now publish it to a workspace. Here's another example of a dashboard that uses a background. Do you see the difference between just placing some visuals in Power BI and really working with a background? Are you planning to work with a tool like UX Pilot, and do you see the value in it? Do you really care about design, or is it more about the numbers for you? Leave a like if you found this video useful, and subscribe for more inspiration videos.